right, that's the first cut on the new sawmill. It's Woodland Mills, a Canadian company. I went with them because they're the widest log for the smallest price and extremely well built. So 57 pages of assembly instructions. We've got this. This is a cherry log. This was a blowdown, and this is the kind of stuff I want to utilize. This would have been firewood, and we're going to see what it looks like on the inside here right now. I am so excited. Trying to imagine how much this log right here, I think weighs 760 pounds. So if that's this one, that probably weighs 300 or so pounds. Give you some idea. It was 16 inches on that end going width, and on this end it was about 14 inches. So 2 inches of butt swell, they say. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I didn't bring my doggone mud knife. This is why I did this. Oh boy. Matt Cremona, sorry I don't have my bucket of water, brother. But that does not take creative thought to know that is beautiful. That is gonna make a gorgeous bench. So that piece is cut about just proud of 2 inches. So it should finish down. The surface is incredibly smooth from that bandsaw, just incredible. And there's that little sappiness going on. This is amazing tree. So this is the HM 130 Max, so it can actually cut a 30-inch diameter log, but I believe it's 38 inches between the posts. So actually you could get a larger log, but you might just be a thick piece in the center after you flip it a couple ways. I got a couple accoutrements to make it a little bit fancier. I'm gonna try not to destroy the blade by cutting into the metal uprights here. I've got a wooden cant hook that's pretty good, but I don't know where it is right now, so I'm using this lousy metal one to start flipping it. Well, I'll flip this log in a little bit, but I tell you, I just can't. I have wanted one of these for years. This is a major bucket list item. So I love this piece because it's just got that natural curve. So my specialty, I think, is going to be, well, what I like is rustic or primitive furniture. That's overbuilt. So, you know, it should hold more than a family. It should hold about half an elephant when all is said and done. I like the live edge. Generally, the bark comes off. Sometimes it stays on there. But we have a woods, and if my wife turns around, we'll see about 10 other logs here that none of which would have done much with, or I can make that go over here. All of these, you know, will now become some really neat stuff. So right there, what I'm focusing on top, that is a shingle oak, I believe. It's got some spalting right here, but the rest of it should be pretty decent. I just pulled that out of the wood. If I aim over here, all of those logs are for my wood burner, and several of these were just going to go in the wood burner, but they were straight enough, long enough. Got some maple over here. There should be some spalting, and I've got a lot of dead ash that I'm going to salvage. Some of it's well in excess of 20 inches in diameter. I just hate to let all that go to waste or let it just go to heating a house. It should do far more. So anyway, we'll be making a bunch of videos. We have to learn how to edit, so this is going to be one take. But anyway, I hope to share a lot of this stuff with you guys in the future. I sell at a farmer's market, so when the virus situation is under control, I'd love to be back there, you know, selling these benches. Hopefully heirloom quality benches. Alrighty, see you guys next time.